There's no back brake on this thing at all. Like zero.
Who uses back brake?
Huh?
Who uses back brake?
Apparently not you.
No.
But I do.
I don't go fast.
When his first turn over here and stood on the back brake and about went over the fucking berm, I'm like, oh. But it's running really good. Like, it runs really good. You can shift it now. But you know that new section, the double out of it? First lap fucking did it nice, clean. Second lap, as I'm going up the face, the fucker bogged. And I'm like, oh, but I made it. Oh, dude. And then the double over here that used to be, that used to be the whoops.
Yeah.
It fucking bogged on the face of that too, and I about ate shit.
Why is it bogging?
I don't know, but it only did it those 2 times. It's like when it's under hard load, it just, it's like almost like it ran out of gas or something, just for a split second.
That's what I'm wondering, if it's not.
Because I think the first time I did the one in the new section, I had more speed. I was carrying more speed coming in, where the second time I tried a different line, and I think I was relying more on fucking
Just give it raw
hammering the throttle, and
that's what it bogged?
Yeah, it bugged right as I was going up the face of it, but it still made it, like, it cleaned out real quick. But over here, it's fucking, like, ah!
I'm glad it was on you.
Yeah, but it runs really good. Like,
I wonder why the rear brake.
Yeah, it's just non-existent. There's nothing.
That's got a new EVO G on
it. It just feels like the
glaze.
No, it doesn't feel like it's work. It just feels like it's not engaging. Like there's too much play. Like it just needs adjustment.
Well, you know what? I had the wheel off last night. Changed that tire.
There you go.
I'm wondering if maybe
you didn't adjust the wing nut enough or something when you put the back wheel back on. I bet you didn't adjust the wing nut enough or something.
Maybe I don't know. I don't think I don't remember me changing the other than the adjuster I had to take off on the rod, and the piece. All I can think of. I don't know. I'd have to.
Thing runs good though.
Yeah.
Apart from
shit! Look
at
this.
What?
Oh my God! My adjusters. When I changed the damn wheel.
Oh God damn it, dude! What are you trying to do? Kill me?
Yeah. What do you mean? I was out there riding the damn thing before you were.
They're
tight. It's tight. It's just.
They're tight. They're just loose.